Would you believe a slab like this can be installed with just a small team on site? No massive workforce, no complicated formwork, no unnecessary delays. Today we are at one of our clients' ongoing construction projects where they are installing an upper floor slab using our precast T-beams and hollow blocks. This modern construction system is helping developers, contractors and homeowners build faster and more efficiently. The T-beams are installed first, followed by the hollow blocks, creating a strong and reliable slab structure that's ready for concrete topping. Compared to the conventional slab construction method, this system requires less labor, generates less material wastage, and helps keep project costs under control. It also allows for faster project completion, meaning you can move to the next stage of construction sooner. Whether you are building a home, rental units, apartments, precast construction offers a smarter way to build. Engage us at Kingdom Precast Solutions today through the contacts call or WhatsApp and let us help you build faster, smarter and more cost effectively.